so going out and understanding, really asking women, what would make it easier for you to access these opportunities, to get into the field, is really crucial.
One of the areas is making sure there's industry support of the fields in college so that our women that are entering college have a chance to see what it really means to be an engineer as soon as they're freshmen. If we can work with people and adapt our manufacturing and our business style to leverage where that talent is, it doesn't have to be such a rate-limiting resource.
As that process goes along, we need to think about, well, what are the roles, what are the aptitudes, what are the skills that we're going to need to more effectively address those issues? And so workforce development and addressing the challenges of a more automated environment really go hand in hand.
But one of the things we constantly talk about is we're all human beings, right? We just want to do the right thing. So just make sure you're just being conscious that we're different, but we're the same as well.
But again, it's those folks who are amplifying each one of your messages going forward. So I just can't say thank you enough and how proud I am to be here on National Manufacturing Day with everyone here. Thank you.